Today we're going to unbox some Wedge seat brackets. I bought this for the 03 RSX Type S, made for the Recaro SR4 seats. It's hard to find Type R seat brackets, but you can get the DC5 Type R seats, the red, the blue, whatever, the SR4s, without the seat brackets. And so there's a few manufacturers that make seat brackets. Wedge is one of them. I think I've heard some people use Sparco seat brackets. You can try to find some Recaro ones, and then Planted, a few other ones too. But I heard great things about Wedge seat brackets. I ordered passenger and driver seat brackets from them today, and it took a few weeks to make, and because they make it from scratch. And I ordered it with the seat bracket, but also the kind of sliding rails with it too. And that's what I'll be opening today, just to show you what that will look like. So it came in this box, and the box came shipped like this. There wasn't another box around it. And you can see me moving all this paper away. And it said Wedge right on the side, like I showed you. And here they are, actually. So super lightweight, much thicker construction than the OEM seat brackets here. And here's the slider. And so this is the passenger side, I believe, because the seat belt buckle, as you can see here, and it has the threads for it. The seatbelt buckle's on the left side, and then here's the slider. So you can just push it back, and it'll slide forward. See as that slides. So but we're gonna keep it closed for now. But this is what you get when you buy Wedge seat brackets.